This viral chicken Big Mac is taking the internet by storm, and today I'm showing you how to make it even better. Want to know the secret of making this at home? It's easier than you think. Let's dive in.
There you have it, folks. That is the chicken Big Mac, the new chicken Big Mac. It's probably gonna go viral. I had to make it as soon as I saw it. It's a big one. It's a lot bigger than you're gonna get in the McDonald's restaurant. Can't wait to try this.
To get that perfect chicken Big Mac crunch, finely chopped iceberg lettuce is key, just like the viral McDonald's recipe. Now that the crunch is ready, let's move on to the secret sauce, because what's a chicken Big Mac without that iconic flavour? Can't find sweet pickle relish at your local Tesco? No worries, I've got you covered. Any pickled veggies will do, just chop them finely, add a bit of sugar, and you've got pro level chicken Mac hack. Chicken Big Mac hack. Or if you can find Heinz Relish sweet relish, that works perfectly too. Odd name, but it works, right? It's tasty. Now, after you've chopped that up, put that into a small bowl and reserve in the fridge. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the Big Mac sauce. This is what gives the chicken Big Mac that iconic flavour. I'll show you how to make it from scratch, and trust me, it's easier than you'd think. Very simple. Half a cup of mayonnaise, I'll put the quantities below. Put in some of your pickle, some Dijon mustard or regular French's mustard, white vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, and more garlic powder, and more onion powder, and then a little bit of paprika. It brings some heat, just like your mother brings. And then some wash your sister sauce. I hope your sister's not bringing heat. Jesus, that's disgusting. Anyway, give it a mix. Stir until they're all combined, and it looks like Big Mac sauce, doesn't it? Give it a taste. You can add a few more things in if you like. Cenat loves a crispy chicken patty, and this one's no exception. Fried up to golden perfection for that satisfying crunch. It's the key to making this burger irresistible. Oven or grilling, it's just not the same. I fried mine on medium heat for about 3 minutes. I've edited all that out. 3 minutes per side. I kept flipping a few times. It is important for you to toast your buns. You can use a brioche bun here, but I just went with a traditional American burger bun with sesame seeds. Toasted nicely. Perfectly toasted buns are key to holding all that flavour together, just like the pros do it. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Now for the fun part. Let's bring it all together. Crispy chicken patty, that secret sauce. It's not really very secret, but you know what I mean. Fresh lettuce, and your mother's perfectly toasted buns. This burger is ready to rival any fast food joint. I can't wait to get my laughing gear around it. I shall remain silent and let you enjoy the ensemble. Now you might say that girl is a bit top heavy, but trust me, she was very popular. I'll be making several more of these in my house tonight. Good luck and God bless. Take care. Bye bye. Now it's time to spread this burger wide open. Don't worry, it's all about getting a good look at what's inside.
There you have it, folks. That is the chicken Big Mac, the new chicken Big Mac. Probably gonna go viral. I had to make it as soon as I saw it. All right. It's a big one. It's a lot bigger than you get in the supermarket. It's a big one. It's a lot bigger. It's a big one. It's a lot bigger than you're going to get in the McDonald's restaurant. Can't wait to try this. All right, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, that's a winner. That is fine. I made my own sweet pickle thing. I just got pickled vegetables, chopped them up really finely, and a couple of teaspoons of sugar. Delicious. Sorry about the background noise. If you enjoy this, you're going to enjoy the Spoils Pack video. I'll put a link here or here. Or the mac and cheese. Here. That's a good burger. Bye-bye.